Hello everyone! How are you today? Teacher Jem Raymond is here. Good news po mga teachers! May additional na SARO na na-release ang ating Department of Budget and Management or DBM as of August 14, 2024 para sa Department of Education patungkol sa ating performance-based bonus for 2022 for all our school-based personnel. Ano kayang region ang nakatanggap ng bagong SARO as of August 14 from 12:59 p.m. until 3:34 p.m. Now let's find out. Before I present to you the recent SARO released by DBM, let me present first kung ano-ano na yung mga region na may SARO na na-receive for their PBB 2022 since nagsimula magpalabas ng SARO ang ating Department of Budget and Management or DBM noong August 7. Noong August 7, 2024 nga, ang unang nakatanggap ng SARO ay ang Region 5 or Bicol Region. At, of course, lahat ng mga SDO at National High Schools ng Region 5 ay mayroon na ngang SAROng na-receive for their school-based personnel. At noong August 13, 2024, ang pangalawang release ng DBM ng SARO. Pero hindi tulad ng Region 5, may mga specific names lamang sa Region 8 ang naka-receive ng SARO last August 13, 2024. At ito na nga yung mga specific agencies from Region 8 or Eastern Visayas ang nagkaroon na nga ng SARO last August 13. At ito pa yung ibang list ng mga SDO at National High Schools na may SARO na from Region 8 released last August 13, 2024. And as of August 14, 2024, 11:18 a.m., may SARO na din na na-receive ang DepEd National Capital Region or NCR. At ito po ay para sa lahat ng kanilang school-based personnel ng kanilang SDOs at national high schools. And still on August 14, 2024, 12:59 p.m. to 3:48 p.m., may additional na naman na na-release na SARO ang ating DBM. Now, tingnan natin kung anong region na naman ang naka-receive ng kanilang SARO for their PBB 2022. Makikita nga natin dito, still for DepEd Region 8 or Eastern Visayas, ang nakakuha ng bagong SARO from DBM. So again, ito yung mga specific SDO at National High Schools from Region 8 ang may SARO na as of August 14, 2024. First batch muna ito. For this slide, nasa SDO na ang PBB ng mga elementary schools just like in the division of Calbayog City. Now for this slide, ito naman yung mga additional list of agency from Region 8 na may SARO na. After this, Notice of Cash Allocations or NCA naman ang i-expect ng mga agencies na to na i-release ng DBM sa kanila. So again, nasa Division of Samar naman ang mga PBB ng mga elementary schools under SDO Samar. Now, here's another batch of agencies na may SARO na for their PBB 2022. And for this slide, makikita nyo, all national high schools ito. So again, after mai-release ng DBM ang NCA ng mga schools na to, ilang araw na lang marireceive na ng mga school-based personnel sa kanilang mga account ang kanilang PBB 2022. Okay, next batch na may SARO na from Region 8. May dalawang SDO dito na may SARO na. So, nasa kanila yung mga PBB ng kanilang mga elementary schools under their division. So, meron naman tayong 4 na national high schools dito. Now, ito pa yung mga additional national high schools from Region 8 na may SARO na as of August 14, 2024. Now, here's another list of national high schools that received their SARO from DBM as of August 14, 2024. For this last slide, ito yung last batch ng mga list of national high schools na may SARO na. Again, congratulations DepEd Region 8, DepEd Region 5, and of course, DepEd National Capital Region for receiving your SARO for PBB 2022. For other divisions, for other regions, konting hintay lang po. For sure, in the coming days, we will receive our SARO for our PBB 2022. That's all for this video, teachers. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, keep safe, everyone!